Firstly, the build quality is premium. This right here, guys, is SmallRig and Brandon Li's co-designed iPhone 15 Pro Max cage.
Thing is freaking fast. If you want to take off on the side of the cage, you have a button which pops the top off and releases your phone. So if you just want to slide your phone out, close that, you out of it that quick, and I love that. This cage is lined with Q20 threads all around it, so if you want to use additional accessories with it, a tripod, a monopod, a gimbal, you can also do that. When you're filming landscape, you have one cold shoe up here at the top if you want to attach like a microphone, a light.
Now, one reason is more stability and control when shooting handheld with your iPhone. The cage also protects your iPhone from drops or damage while filming on the go.
Because it also comes with this great little ND filter, which will cut the amount of light that can get into your sensor. Now, a really cool feature of this video kit is that one of the handles actually comes with a camera button that you can click, and it runs off of Bluetooth connectivity with your phone.